How to add multiple photos or videos in one Instagram story. To add multiple photos or videos to a single Instagram story, you may follow up this process. So you can open up your story at the top left. You can, from your home screen, once you are logged in, tap on it. And then once you tap on it, one of the thing you can do is basically select multiple photos. If you'd like to do so, you can create a collage using the layout feature. So you can tap on layout, and once you do so, it will give you this option right here. So it will you can select the particular layout that you prefer, and there you can just go ahead and add up the image that you would like to add up as multiple photos or videos on your Instagram story. Apart from those, what you can do is you can just go ahead and tap on the select button at the top, and from here you can tap on your story option, and there just go ahead and select a bunch of photos and videos in the order you want them to appear. And then once you select it, you may just go ahead and tap on the sticker icon at the top, and there just go ahead and tap on photo option. And once you tap on it, you can select up a particular image that you would like to add. You can just go and place it, change the shape and everything of the image that you're adding, and that way also you can proceed to customize and add text, stickers, or effects within each individual item, and tap on share your story to share your story to your Instagram story. So you can just follow up the process. You can even add up a video instead of a picture in the background, and you can look out for that option of adding sticker and add up multiple photos on top of it, and resize and position the elements as desired and share your story. And that's it. So that is it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.